Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see, my kitchen is a hot mess. Y'all, work has been so busy and getting ready for the holidays has been so busy that I really have been neglecting my home. So I am cleaning it room by room. If you need some cleaning motivation to get you through cleaning up around the holiday time, girl, keep watching because it is a mess. I definitely had to get my hot cocoa and coffee bar station cleaned up because my son and I have been absolutely loving this. And I can't believe that this video got so many views. Like, y'all, I can do a coffee bar for every single holiday because I love it. All right, y'all, so I had to run and go do some stuff, and so here I am the next day cleaning up, continuing where I left off in my ho-ho-ho jammies. I actually do have a few pieces on the hot cocoa bar that I picked up that I'm really excited about. That you will see in a little bit, but it is still the same mission, Operation Get This Kitchen Clean. I know that sink cleaning is appreciated, so I try to throw in these clips every time I remember. So definitely let me know in the comments below if you are one of those that enjoys to see a clean sink. I would love to have y'all join me over on Instagram. It's the same handle that I have here on YouTube, Simply Me Tay. So I would love for you to come over there and just join in the fun. I definitely plan on being more active over there in the new year and posting on a more regular basis here on YouTube as well. I finally, y'all, when I say finally, I mean finally placed an order at Grove Collaborative. I had been wanting to pick up a few things for quite some time, and I finally bit the bullet and did it. So it'll be coming in here shortly, and I will definitely be recording an unboxing and what I picked up in my small Grove haul, and I'm excited to use the products that I picked up and see what I want to try the next time. 2020 for me is going to be about making goals, setting goals, and accomplishing goals, and making realistic ones. And I'm so excited for it. I bought a new planner for it, and I really want to get some things done that I've been wanting to do for years and years and just have not done it. 2020 is going to be a different year, and I am so excited for the journey that I am on and for the things that are to come. And I hope that you guys will continue to stay with me and join me and not judge me about this dirty stove as well. I am still loving this Jaws glass cleaner, y'all. I was about to start using my sprayway when I received the Jaws, and so I wanted to try it out really quickly, and the sprayway is still sitting in the cabinet. So I definitely will be pulling that out for 2020, but I'm telling you, if you are looking for a good glass cleaner or just some good products to use around your house, definitely check into those Jaws products. And I believe they were having 25% off here recently for the holidays, so now's the time to check it out. All right, y'all, and we are all done. Dishes done, stove done, microwave done, refrigerator done, counters done. My son came in from outside and drank some water and put it on the counter. But hey, it is what it is, y'all. And I just want to say thank you so much for sticking with me, and I will see you in the next one. Stay blessed.